started a series of videos in which I will tell you how to draw small but beautiful motifs that is used in Mithila art. Today is day 1 of 15 days Mithila art motif. In this video, you will learn how to draw a sun motif in the Mithila style. Items that I have used is camel watercolor inks. It comes in 12 sets. It has 12 colors. And fine liners, I have used micron fine liners and fine liners of Keep Smiling as well. As you can see in this video, I have made lines in the circle so that both the eyes can align to each other, and then I am making small designs. First I am using pencil to make basic proportions, then I will use fine liners. In this video I am making two different types of sun. One is normal sun and another one is a little different type of sun. Now I am using a Keep Smiling fine liners. It is available in both Amazon and Flipkart. It becomes very easy to use fine liners when you have already made a pencil outline. You just have to move your fine liners on the pencil. Friends, fine liners also have different sizes. For making eyes, nose, I am using 0.6 size fine liner, and while making circle I have used 0.5 size fine liners. You can always use different types of fine liners. To make your work look more clear, it's better that you have designs in your mind so that you can just put it in the motif. As you can see, I've already decided that I will use small triangles and circles while making a sun. Circles, small circle, large circle is mostly used in Mithila painting because it makes a motif look more beautiful. The fine liners that I have used here is micron fine liners. It is different from Keep Smiling fine liners. Completed our first sun motif. Now we will move on to the second. It is a different type of a motif. It is a sun only, which is used mostly in paintings which show Chhat Puja or any other festival that is related to sun. Friends, don't forget to make double lines while making any Mithila motif. In the first one, as you can see, I have made double lines, but in order to make more designs, I have made straight lines, which is also fine. But if you are not planning to put a straight line, then make a double line. The second sun motif is also ready now. Now I just have to fill blank spaces that I am doing right now while making circles, and then I will make eyes, and then I will use poster colors, acrylic colors to fill the colors. Friends, you can also use fine liners if you want to, but this video is for beginners, and beginners always find it difficult to use fine liners. That's why I am saying that you can use fine liners. Even professional people also use fine liners, so it depends on your choice. Now I have started putting colors. First I have used yellow color because the sun is mostly yellow. In both the sun motif I will use yellow color, and then different colors and different designs. Applied a red color tika on sun's face. It is a red poster color. I will apply it on lips and also on tika as well. For the designs, right now I am using red poster color, then I will be using cobalt blue and then green color as well. As you can see, I am making lines right now with red color. It is looking very different, and now it's blue color, it's cobalt blue. Here also we will do the same thing. Friends, don't worry about the black lines. You can always apply black lines after you have completed your painting. It mostly happens when you use pen fine liners while making designs. While doing the coloring, you can fill the whole design with colors, or you can partially fill it like I am doing right now. It is a crimson color. For sun rays, I am using yellow color, and then I will be using orange color. It will make the sun motif look more beautiful, and for the forehead of the sun, I will again be using orange color. Friends, here I am using nib pen because the space is not enough to use brush, that's why. And now I am using green color for the design. As you can see in this motif, it is almost complete. You can also try different colors if you want to, and also different designs. Friends, for the forehead we will be using orange color, that's why I have decided to use crimson color for the sun rays. Now this sun is almost complete. Now for the second sun, I am using orange color and then I will be using red color as an alternate color. Here you can see I have not completely filled the circle, but I have filled it partially. This also looks beautiful. And now I am using red color. I am using green color, and for the alternate color I will be using blue color, and then for the outside I will be using green, light green color. This blue color is a dark blue color. You can use light blue color. And now you can see I have used light green and red color. Now both the sun motif has been completed. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching.